Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Tiana Michelle here. So in my previous video you saw me clean up my kids' messy room. At that time they had the master bedroom and I wanted to basically give it a good cleaning before I switch their rooms. So you saw me transform it from this messy bedroom to this very clean room. So in today's video I am going to be switching out the closet. So if there's something that you want to see, stay tuned.
How you smile, how you captivate everything, how that body move, pretty eyes, got it all, you killing the scene. I want you to be mine, girl, you got everything I need, and I want you, what you wanna do, let me give you the moon.
So what you're currently viewing right now is what I was using for my closet in the smaller bedroom. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff jam-packed in here, but I tried to make it work as best as I could, utilizing extra shelves and bookcases and different drawers. And then this is what the kids' closet looked like after I cleaned it in the previous video. As you can see, they have a lot of extra space that they weren't utilizing, so that's why I decided to take over.
I need and I want you, what you wanna do, let me give you the moon, yeah, shine brighter than the stars combined, let me give you the moon, yeah, you and I, we got the stars aligned, give you the moon.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today, I promise that.
So now you're gonna see my son and I moving stuff from what would have been my old closet, and we're gonna be moving the stuff to the bigger closet, and at the same time I'm gonna be moving the master bedroom closet.
As you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect.
as you feel.
So although this closet is a little bit smaller, I was able to fit all of their belongings into their closet successfully.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Back in here, and see how I can efficiently utilize the space. So I'm about to do that now, and we'll see what happens from there.
It's hard to stay real in a world full of fakes. It's hard to find truth when the liars are great. I'm trying my best to stay out of your way. Oh well, oh well. You talk a big talk, but got nothing to say. You hold your head high, but your morals to fade. I know you feel cool, but your bubble will break. Oh well, oh well. You can walk into a room, and every fool.
So the next day, I decided to rearrange my closet. I wasn't sure where I wanted to put that white desk. I wanted to use it for my office area, but then I decided just to keep the black desk that I already have and just to put this white desk back into the closet. And I was able to set it up so it's a useful piece and stack some other things on top of it.
Some spell, rather be alone than be a shell. I'm okay being me. You say you don't judge and your friends all agree. They see you for you, but they don't see what I see. A narcissistic personality. Oh well. You think the world is yours. You think it spins for you. You think you deserve more than every other fool. You can walk into a room, and every fool would try to be like you. But I'm not gonna sell my soul just to be someone you wanna know. Who you like is out of my control. I'm okay being me. I'm not gonna change myself just to make you fall under some spell. Rather be alone than be a shell. I'm okay being me. I'm okay being me.
So now here's the before and after of both closets. This isn't the final product, but this is just how I have it organized right now. I will come back and organize both closets later, but I just wanted to get this part out of the way.
Yeah. I don't need this no more. I don't need to stay, finna walk out that door. My mistake, giving you love galore. Hope you find someone that can Cause I'm doing better, life cannot be more golden. But honestly, I won't lie, sometimes I ask why I can't get you out my head, now hard to forget that I
really need to cut you off. You're always trying to lead me on. You're making all these promises, and you'd always quit. You're just another hypocrite. No, I'm can't she got no way. No, you thought that I would always stay, that you thought I'd be yours and she got my mind, no, but someone tell me why.
So that is going to be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Come back for the next video where I show you how I'm going to organize both bedrooms. Thank you and happy Thanksgiving.
Even when you were not